Welcome, enthusiasts and novices alike, to a world of delicious and nutritious keto recipes for weight loss success. Discover the secret to shedding pounds while savoring sumptuous meals. Ever wondered how to enjoy food while staying fit? We've got you covered. Tune in for a culinary journey that's as rewarding as it is delectable. Stay healthy, stay happy, and let your taste buds dance. Remember, it's not a diet, it's a lifestyle. Looking for delicious and nutritious keto recipes for weight loss success? Embarking on a weight loss journey is no small feat, and the right diet can make all the difference. Today we're focusing on the keto diet, a powerhouse of low-carb, high-fat foods that not only aids in weight loss, but also packs a punch in terms of nutrition. We're going beyond the ordinary with recipes that are as scrumptious as they are healthy. Stay tuned as we delve into these mouth-watering recipes. Our first recipe is a refreshing keto avocado salad. Let's begin with gathering our ingredients. Ripe avocados, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, fresh cilantro, and a dash of olive oil and lemon juice for dressing. Now, avocados are the star of this salad. They're rich in heart-healthy, monounsaturated fats that help you feel full and satisfied. Plus, they're packed with fiber that aids in digestion and weight loss. Next, we have cherry tomatoes, a great source of vitamins A and C and potassium. Cucumbers add a nice crunch and hydration, while red onions offer a sharp flavor and a good dose of antioxidants. Cilantro brings an aromatic freshness, and our dressing of olive oil and lemon juice ties everything together with a zesty tang. Chop all your ingredients, toss them together in a bowl, and drizzle the dressing on top. Give it a good mix, and voila! In no time, you have a nutrient-dense salad that's perfect for your weight loss journey. Next up, we have keto chicken zoodles. Now you might be wondering, what in the world are Zoodles? Well, they're simply zucchini noodles, and they're about to become your new best friend on your weight loss journey. Let's dive right into our recipe. Start by spiralizing 2 medium-sized zucchinis. If you don't have a spiralizer, a regular vegetable peeler will do just fine. You'll end up with long, thin strips that mimic the texture and shape of traditional pasta. Next, sauté your zoodles in a bit of olive oil over medium heat. This step is quick, just a couple of minutes until they're slightly softened. We want to retain some of that delightful crunch. Set the zoodles aside and let's move on to the chicken. Take 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast, cut into bite-sized pieces. Season it with your favorite spices. We recommend a blend of salt, pepper, garlic powder, and a dash of cayenne for a kick. Heat up some olive oil in a pan and cook the chicken until it's golden brown and cooked through. Now let's bring it all together. Combine the zoodles and chicken, toss in a generous serving of your favorite keto-friendly sauce, and voila! You've got yourself a bowl of keto chicken zoodles. This dish is not only delicious but also a fantastic low-carb alternative to regular pasta. It's a testament to how weight loss and good food can indeed go hand in hand. Who said weight loss means bidding farewell to your favorite dishes? Lastly, we have a sweet treat, keto berry smoothie. This is a refreshing concoction packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and a whole lot of flavor. Let's dive into the process. To start, we'll need a handful of mixed berries. Berries are low in carbs and high in fiber, making them perfect for a keto diet. Next, we add a cup of unsweetened almond milk, a great low-carb alternative to regular milk. For a touch of creaminess, in goes half an avocado. Don't be surprised. Avocado not only adds a creamy texture, but also brings healthy fats to the table. To sweeten things up, we stir in a teaspoon of stevia, a natural, keto-friendly sweetener. Blend it all together until smooth, and voila! You've got yourself a delicious, keto-friendly berry smoothie. This drink is a delightful way to satisfy your sweet tooth while keeping your carbs in check. Now you can satiate your sweet cravings without derailing your diet. There you have it, 3 delectable keto recipes that aid in weight loss. We've explored the keto avocado salad, keto chicken zoodles, and the keto berry smoothie. Each dish is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that your body needs while on a keto diet. The avocado salad, with its healthy fats, keeps you satiated longer. The chicken zoodles, rich in protein, fuel your muscles and metabolism. And let's not forget the berry smoothie, a refreshing and sweet treat full of antioxidants. These recipes show that a weight loss journey doesn't mean depriving yourself of tasty meals. It's about making smart choices and embracing a lifestyle change. So, go ahead and try these recipes. Enjoy the process of preparing them, savor each bite, and most importantly, continue your journey towards a healthier you. Remember, weight loss is a journey, not a race. Stay healthy and enjoy your meals. Thank you for tuning in and joining us on this culinary adventure. We hope you've enjoyed it as much as we did. If you found this video helpful and these recipes delicious, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Sharing is caring, so feel free to share this video with your friends and family who might also be on a weight loss journey. We'd love to hear from you too. Tell us in the comments below which recipe you'll be trying out first, or if you have any other keto-friendly recipes to share. And remember, to keep up with our daily updates on weight loss videos, hit that subscribe button. Stay informed, stay updated, and most importantly, stay inspired. Your journey towards a healthier you is a journey we're excited to be a part of. So until next time, keep cooking, keep eating, and keep enjoying your journey to weight loss. Stay healthy and enjoy your meals.
Like this video? Don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe for more fun and learning. Leave a comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching.